Today I'm going to show you how to deliciously upgrade your tuna fish sandwich game. It's so good, it'll make you sing a little tuna. Ta-da!
Ba 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 ba, Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Let's get fishy. We're going to start by making an Alabama white sauce inspired sauce. It's redundant. We're going to start with half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of horseradish, a nice little pinch of salt, boop, and a metric ton of black pepper, or like a teaspoon of pepper. Now give it a good mix. Perfect little sauce. Moving on. We're gonna dice about half an onion. Woo! Tomato. I'm removing the guts from the tomatoes because I don't want the tuna fish salad to be all liquidy. No one likes a liquidy tuna, except maybe tuna. I guess they like it liquidy because they're fish. A little quick tomato dice. I'm gonna do a couple chives because we're adults. I'm also gonna chop up a little bit of pickled jalapeños. Dice up our pickled jalapeños. Jalapenos completies. And now for the star of the show. I'm using tuna fillets here, so it's a little bit fancier, but you can use any kind of canned tuna you want. Mash up your tuna a little tiny bit. Oh, someone's here for his tuna tax. No. Put in our tomatoes. Put in some of the onion. Pickled jalapenos go in. Now the Alabama white sauce. I like to adjust the amount of sauce as I go, just so I don't over sauce anything. Now mix it all together. Yeah. A little pinch of salt. A little bit of hot sauce also. And this is what we're left with. Let's make our sandwich. I'm gonna start with a little bit of green lettuce. And now to offset the healthiness of the lettuce, we're gonna use chips. So now we're gonna line some chips in there. It's gonna add a nice little crunch. And 1 for me, and 2 for me. And now we're gonna put our tuna on top. And then we're gonna finish with our chives on top. Tuna-rific. Lunchtime. That's how it's done. That is how that's done. I'm gonna eat the whole thing, I don't care. Bye, friends.